Hi, second graders. So we're going to review some of the key points that were talked about in Unit 4, and then I would like for you to go in and take that Unit 4 test. And if you watch this video all the way through, you're going to find that some of these questions are even going to be on your Unit 4 test. So make sure that you are understanding these concepts and then go right into Unit 4 test and complete the test. So let's take a look at two of our vocabulary words, comparing and contrasting. These were two words that were talked about in this unit. So when we compare something, we're looking at how something is alike. And when we're contrasting something, we're looking at how something is different. So check out these cute dogs up here. We can compare them and see how they're alike, and we can contrast and see how they are different. So let's think about how they're alike. Maybe you can think of a couple ways that they're alike. I'm thinking they're both dogs. They both have four legs. Okay, that's a couple ways that they're alike. Now let's contrast. Let's think about how they're different, because when we contrast, when you look at the way things are different, then you contrast. So this dog looks a little bit lighter than this dog. He looks almost like he's white. This dog looks like he's a light brown. That's one way that they're different. This dog looks like he might be bigger than this dog. This dog looks like he might be smaller than this dog. So again, we just compared and contrasted these two animals. And when you contrast right here, when you look at the way two things are different, you contrast. All right, let's take a look right here. This next one says, when you look at the way things are similar, you compare or contrast. Which one would be the correct answer? When we're looking at how something is similar, we're going to compare it. The next one says, when you use proof to make a guess, you are using an opinion or a fact. And we're going to use this key word right here, proof. This is going to be one of our context clues that helps us figure out which one to choose. Which word means proof? Is that an opinion or a fact? It's going to be a fact, right? So when we are using proof, we are finding something that's true and we're saying, hey, here's my fact to support my argument. This next one says, if I have an opinion, I will want to list blank to support my arguments. Do you want to list reasons to support your argument or synonyms? Remember, synonyms are words that mean the same thing. So if you have an opinion, I will want to list reasons. I want to tell you why, and I'm going to give you these reasons, and that's going to support my argument. So reasons here is the correct answer. All right, so in this unit, there was also a lot of talk about persuasive text. Say that word out loud, persuasive. Persuasive has three syllables, has three chunks in it, and persuasive looks like and it sounds like another word that I know, persuade. And if I'm going to persuade someone to do something, that means I'm going to try to convince them to think like me. So if I was going to persuade you to wear sunscreen, I could make a picture and I could tell you how to use sunscreen and how to protect your skin. Okay? So persuasive texts, they try to make people think or do something. They use the information to persuade people. They might persuade people to think that a toy is fun, or they may persuade people to get a dog. There's different types of persuasive text, but the main thing to remember is a persuasive text is going to be followed by reasons. Not only are you going to tell somebody that you think they should do something, but you're going to give them reasons to back that up. All right, friends, I hope that helps with your Unit 4 test. If you're still confused, let me know. I'm always happy to meet up and give you some more help in Zoom if you're still confused about any of these topics.